Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-39C, the boiler injector steam valve spindle nut for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's open up MMGS. New MMGS. Let's go to right plane, sketch, polygon. That's going to be 10 mil. 10 mil. And this point, let's just make that horizontal. Not that makes a difference. Just keep more uniform on the thing, but it doesn't make a difference on this one. And that's going to be extruded out by 9. Okay. Now we want M8 hole this side, 5 mil hole that side. So let's go 8 hole, 8 mil. So sketch, circle. It's going to be 8 mil. That's going to be feature extrude cut by 6 mil. And this side here will be 5 mil. Smart dimension 5 mil, and that's going to be extrude cut. I was going to try something. I'm going to put 3. Nope, not 3 mil. Now normally I go up to next. I just want to see something. See, there you go. Perfect. There you go. I thought I'd just do something different. Okay. Now, this is the one where we're going to need put a construction. We need to put a construction line in. So let's go. Oh, hold on. X out sketch. Normalize front plane. Just zoom out a bit. We want center line. Start there. Actually, hold on. I'm not going to click on there just in case, but I'm just going to go all the way through from one side to the other, and that should be a construction line. Click on that. Construction line. Dimension. It's going to go 5 mil, just seems good. Getting down to do this dimension, I'm just doing it just in case I need it later on. I know exactly how far out it is. And exit sketch. That's through the hole. Reason I went that way, reason I went out both ways, just in case this side was a small hole and I didn't realize to turn around. That way I got it covered. Okay, so now we want hole wizard, drop down thread. That's going to be 10. We've got to go way up, 10 by 125. Put there. Now what you can do is, say example, you want up to selection there. Now that won't work because it's going to go, actually that goes past it. Cool. Okay, let's see what happens on that. That went past it. Excellent. So it actually worked, that one. Now I'm going to try something. We've got this part here, so I'm going to change this. I can clear that one. Cleared both. Oh, no, I cleared one. I thought it seemed strange. Cleared both. Okay, so this one here. Come on. I'm going to put here this time. This one here. I'm going to put the in there. Let me. Somebody's playing up. I don't know why. Okay, so do there. It doesn't go away, but let's do this one. There we go. Goes through. It's going to be cut, trim, and trim. And okay. There you go. That pretty much goes right to the end of that one. So it actually works out. That pretty much goes right to the end there, which is nice. And then this goes this way. So there we go. So that's how we can get thread from one end to the other complete. Excellent. Sorry it took so long to work that out. There's a few ideas I've seen, but every time I tried to do it, it didn't seem to work. And I come across this one where he used this center line. I can't remember what channel it was I'd come across now. Do apologise on that. There's a lot of videos I watched on trying to get this, and some, well, for them it worked, but when I tried it, it didn't want to work. But this one seems to work, so there we go. Now, there's no other thread in there, no. That's all the thread it is. We're going to hide that one. There we go. We don't need that there. So that's part 3-39C, the boiler injector steam valve spindle nut done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Ooh, mouthful. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you everyone that has. And thank you for everyone for the support. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.